Hi guys, welcome to the demonstration video for Local Business Listing Robot. Now for those of you who haven't read through our whole sales page just yet, I want to point out that you can add up to 100 clients to our system. So even if you've only got, let's say, 10 to 15 clients at the moment, you can use some of the credits to add other clients that you may be offering a free trial to. So offer a free trial for 14 or 30 days with the rest of the credits you've got in our system, and that is a good way of getting new clients by proving that you can start to build their reputation online by using our software to post out reviews for these prospects. Now we do support currently 4 countries. We support US, UK, Canada and Australia. Unfortunately, we are unable to add any more countries in due to the different software that is needed for individual countries, and we don't tend to get as many people asking for other countries apart from these 4 major countries here. So we're going to be sticking to these particular countries. Now once you've logged into the members area, as I said, you can add up to 100 clients, or if you want to call it 100 credits, you can add them in using the different areas here. So for example, if you had a US client, you would click on add US business. If you had a UK business, then you would click on the add UK business. It's slightly different when you're adding in the details. So let's look at the US, for example. So if you want to add a new client, simply log in, add the business name, the address, the city, select the state, and then add the zip code in this field here. Add the business phone number and website. Now when we are creating accounts to post these reviews out, you can add different zip codes into this field here, separated by a comma, and our software will randomly pick one of those zip codes to create an account to post a review. So for example, for city search, you might have 10 or 15 zip codes surrounding your client's business. Add those zip codes into here, separated by comma, and our software will use them randomly, which makes it look more natural for different users posting reviews for the review sites. Now for Google, we only post by state, so it's not as important to add zip codes in here, but it's very important to add the correct state, because we do use the state user account for that particular state to post reviews out. Now you need to add the URLs to the listings for your clients. So for example, if your client had a city search listing, then you would add a link to the page where the review button is for that particular review site. Now again, we do have a full set of videos, if you go up to the top here, which shows you how to find the correct URL to add into these fields here, and particularly for Google, you would need to add in a short URL to the full Google URL for your client's listing. But again, we have videos showing you how to do that there. So once you've added those details in, click on submit, and those details will be saved. That's used 1 credit. Now that's the first part. The second part is to add a review. So if I click on the add a review section, and you would have a list of your clients here. So I've got created a demo business. So if I want to add a review, click on add review there, and then we need to add a review title. Now various review sites do have different amount of characters in a minimum or a maximum they do require, so please familiarize yourself with the amount of characters that is required for each of the review sites you're going to add for your client. Now this particular business, when I set up this business, I added a city search, a Google Plus, and inside the pages, a local.com, a super pages, and a Yellowbot URL when I added the business, this demo business, in as an account. These are the only listings that would show up down here to post a review to. So for example, if you had 1 client and all you added was Google Plus, then all you would see down here to select would be the Google Plus. But because I've added more, then I can then select more of the review sites. Now you can only add 1 review to a review site. We do not post the same review out to multiple sites. It's not a good idea because Google will be able to see the same review posted across multiple review sites, and that could throw up a big red flag. So you add your review title, you add the review itself. You are confirming that this review is not fake and it has been received from a real customer, so that is ticked automatically. If that is not ticked, this review would not be posted out. You can choose the star rating, so 3, 4 or 5 star. I would advise you to mix up the star ratings. No business gets all 5-star reviews. They will get a 3, 4 and a 5 star. Add the name of the person that is posting the review. So this is the name that's come from your client, of the person that left the review letter or postcard for your client, and add those details into there, because we'll use these details to create the user account that posts this particular review. Now, the review IP address, don't worry about that. We do have some review forms you can add to your client site, so that your client can point people to the review form, and if they leave a review in there, it will pick up the IP address of the person that's leaving the review. But don't worry about that, you can leave that blank. Choose the gender of the person that's leaving the review, choose the review site, and then click on submit. So I'm just going to add in test review here, and again I'm going to add the same into the review text just for this example. I'll just copy that, and I'm going to choose a 4-star. I'm going to call this person Bob, black, and he's a male obviously, and then a Google Plus. So I'll click on submit, and that's now going to add that to that particular business. If I click on list by business and go to the demo site, then you will see that we've got these particular reviews here. These are just test reviews we've added. Now you can see the test review, and it's been added today on the 21st of March 2017. So once you've done that, our software will then go and pick that review up, select an account based around the zip code. Our software will then create an account and then log in and post a review. It is really as simple as that, guys. It's a three-step process. Add your client, add the review in, and click on submit. And once you've done that, as I said, our software will go out and start posting reviews for that particular client. Now we do have a review form you can choose, and this form will be added to your client's website. You can see there we have an embed code, and that can pick up reviews direct from your client's website. I'm not going to go into that too much at the moment. As I said, we do have videos which explain exactly how to set these up. We do have a mobile version if your client wanted to send it out in a text message to his customers, and we also have the embed code as well. So there we are, guys, a 3-step system to get reviews for your clients.